Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools that I work with. I use it all the time, and that's going to be Canva. Real quick, welcome to the new office. I apologize for the construction zone going on behind me and the horrible lighting, but a lot of things are getting settled and it's going to be a great space when it's done. Back to Canva. Canva's wonderful. I am a pro subscriber, so I do get access to a lot of things that don't come with the free version. But the free version you can do a lot with today. That one with from the pro version that I want to talk about is the background removal. Now, if you follow me here to the tool, I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. And while that's loading, I want to remind you that we've done a video on how to remove the background of an image using PowerPoint. That's still totally valid and it works, but and if you don't have Canva Pro, use that. It's super simple. It's a great low-cost tool that you probably already have access to that you can use to accomplish the same thing. Now, once I am in Canva here, I'm going to find an image. I'm just going to search for student, just because I know that's going to pull up a lot of people, and that's usually what I'm pulling the background out of personally. Come into photos, and we'll find one that'll give it a workout. We'll go with this one here. Drop that in and go ahead and expand it, and from here they've moved the background removal tool right here in the middle, and I'm just going to assume that's because other people use it just as much as I do. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's literally that easy. Now, if that's it and you're done, you can come up to share, download, and go ahead and just download that image. And there's lots of settings. We're not going to go through all those right now. I'm sure you can figure those out. The big ones to remember is we want transparent background, because we want to be sure and download the image with that transparent background that we just created, and also a PNG, because that's the format that's going to support that transparent background. From there, you can click on the download button, and that's gonna just allow you to save it wherever you want to. Now, should you need to massage this a little bit, maybe it didn't remove things quite well or quite how you wanted to, you can double click on that BG remover button, and you're gonna see similar tools here as in that PowerPoint tool that we've talked about. So you can choose places to restore the image or places to remove the image. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for following along. Remember, if you have any questions regarding any of the tools I use, Canva, Articulate, Camtasia, any of those, or you have any questions just within the L&D, learning and development space, be sure to put those in the comments or reach out with them. Also, you can like and subscribe to this channel. I'd appreciate that very much. Thanks so much, and we will see you on the next one.